Okay, next. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Take a seat. You are Mark Jerome Bernardo, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, introduce yourself.
I'm Mark Bernardo from Batangas City, and I studied on Tilambo Elementary School, and secondary is Our Lady of Mercy Academy, and tertiary is Datamix Institute of Computer Technology. Then I'm 18 years of age.
You said you're studying tertiary at Datamex?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are the things that you have learned in your school that you can impart to our company?
Sir, computer. I can impart that knowledge into your company in terms of computer because I can type. Then I can also do some system programs and so on, sir.
Okay. Um, what is your great weaknesses and your strength?
My great weaknesses, sir.
Okay.
My great weaknesses are the emotions, sir. Because when I do something or the emotion,
Okay.
emotions, sir.
Your strength.
My strength is the God because it gives me power when I need it.
Okay. As applicant, imp- what interests you about this company?
It interests me about your company because your company it gives a high salary to their employee, and also the boss there or the managers or the employers treated their employee a good well.
Then why we should hire you?
You should hire me because, sir, I am capable to the
Nalilito ako, namin ako tao.